Hello children, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to discuss about how to filter data in Excel worksheet. First of all, I would like to define what is filtering. Actually, filtering is an advanced feature of MS Excel through which you can show the record that you want to display on the screen and hide rest of the records. So let us see how can we perform filtering in Excel worksheet. First of all, you open MS Excel. You can see this is Excel worksheet. Here I have already entered the data. So you can also enter the data of your choice. Now filtering is an advanced feature of MS Excel. First of all, you select the data that you have entered in Excel worksheet. Now click on Data tab. After that, you will see a sort and filter group. Here in sort and filter group, you click on filter option. You can see here. As you click on the filter option, a button will appear at the heading row of your Excel sheet. This button is used to filter the data as per your choice, and when the filtering is done, the data which you don't want to see here are temporarily gets hide. So let us see. Suppose in my data in my worksheet I have entered 7, 8, 9, 10 classes, but I want to see only class 8. How many boys are there in class 8? So I am going to filter. Here you click on this button, then click on select all. That means you have to deselect all the boxes which are checked here. Now click on class 10 and click on OK. So what you see here, only the record of class 10 are visible, rest gets hide. But you don't worry, this is a temporary hide, you can unhide it. So for this you clear on clear option. So again your data has appeared. Now it is not important that you can select only one option, you can select more than one option. Suppose I want to see 8 and 9, and the result will be displayed in smallest to largest. Okay, after that, after selecting 8 and 9, click on OK. So what you have seen here, the students records belonging to class 8 and 9 only available here. Click on clear option, your full data will be available here. After that, suppose I am going to math, I want to see who have got 50 marks. So click here and you can see this much of the boys have got the 50 marks. Now click on clear. Now I have entered here section A, B, C, D. I want to see the boys of section A. So click on section A. You see records of section A are filtered here. Again you click here, deselect all and click on B. You will see the students of section B are displayed here. After that you click on C. In this way you can click one by one the choices given here. Click on D, click on OK. After that click here. So what you have seen here, that the box you are checking there, the box you are selecting there, the field matching to the that box are available here. Now I want to see who have got 45 marks. First deselect all, okay, and click on 45. So only 3 students have got 45 marks. Okay, in this way you can sort the records, filter the records of Excel worksheet. Clear? There are two types of filters are used, filter and advanced filter. In next video I will discuss about how to perform advanced filter in Excel worksheet. Now click on filter option. You will see the box which will appear on the heading row are disappeared. So in this way you can perform sorting and filtering. Now keep watching my channel, like, subscribe and share. Thanks.